Morning, lawyers. This is speaking.
Hello, Leah. I'm wondering if I could speak to the person that rang me a little while ago. I didn't actually get a name.
I'm not sure who you spoke to earlier. Who was calling?
My name's Jeanette. The number she called me on was zero.
So it was a mobile that called you?
No, that's the number she called me on. It's not this number.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, no problems at all. Was this in regards to the appointment?
Yes.
Yeah, what can we help with?
She referred me to a criminal lawyer.
Yeah.
I told her I'm after matters involving the common law, tort law.
Oh, okay. No problems. I'll see if there is someone else we can maybe refer you to. Did you try Matthew Mitchell?
Well, I didn't need to. He's listed as a criminal defence lawyer. They don't do the common law. They don't do misfeasance and defamation and all that, the basic foundations of law.
Yeah. Okay, no problems at all. It might be best just to call the Law Society of South Australia and they can refer you on to the best practitioner.
Well, no, I've tried that. This is why I've got the matter. This is why I've got so many matters, because it seems like no one does the common law.
Yeah, unfortunately, we don't specialise it. I'm not sure what the matter is because I don't have the email.
Sorry, can I ask you a question? How does a lawyer specialise? Is there extra training that they do to go into a different area?
Yeah, and I guess just experience as well.
Well, that's not a specialty. It's a preference. It's not a specialty. You have to actually have training and qualifications for a specialty. That's just a preference. That's false advertising.
Okay, I'm not sure. Did the Law Society of South Australia recommend you to a particular law firm?
What I say or do between them has got nothing to do with you, young lady. Thank you for your time.
Oh, okay.
Bye.
No problem.
Lawyers' preference in only representing matters under statute law is why so many people are forced to self-represent in the Australian legal system. It's evidence that lawyers are no different to any other service provider. They're there for the money alone. This profit greed in our legal system is why my matter has not seen the inside of a courtroom. It's why self-represented persons are unconstitutionally ignored or unlawfully discriminated against in the courts by clerical staff as well as judiciary. It's why the government freely and systematically infringe the rights of the common people by public officer custom of practice, because they have no fear of being held accountable for perverting the course of justice, or abuse of public office, when the matter is political. Parliament has no fear of its government being sued for their many human rights infringements under the common law of torts as derived from the Great Charter, Magna Charta. It's precisely why the Magna Charta was written. Intellectually, our species has come the full circle. We've reached the ceiling of our intellectual limitations. We're due for another circuit to deliver us from the New Age barbaric horde in matching business suits.